Hello guys, today we're making uh, eggs on the healthy way. As you can see, this is different video than you get used to it from me. We're doing egg by egg, and this is the way that I like to drop down the eggs in the plate. You can also take off the stuff from the egg with the thumb if your hand is clean. Now we can add the spices in it. I like oregano and pepper. You can add your favorite spice. After that, we're gonna put some olive oil on it. So it's low carb olive oil. We can say it's so healthy. So we have good fats in it, and then we got to add 5 eggs in the and now we're gonna add some water, just a little bit water, so it will be boil inside the you know what I mean, yeah. After a few minutes you can check it your eggs. No, not there, not done. Put the lid on it, and I think so that now they are ready. Yeah, they are ready. Eggs are ready. They are prepared on the water. They are so clean, they are tasty. You don't need to turn on or flip down the eggs. Now you can serve it on the plate. Yeah, they are good, nice, 5 clean eggs. And now I'll add some tomato because I like so to have much more nutrients in here. They are good with calcium or whatever. So you can serve it. That's all guys from me. Thanks for watching.